Imagine this. Escaping the city chaos to a serene paradise, just minutes away. This is the perfect outdoor spot in the city. Whether you're looking for a place to relax, unwind, and calm your mind, a place where you can ride a bicycle without fear of traffic, whether you're looking to connect with nature, looking to host a function, play some games, including swinging, or archery. Forest Trails in Mombasa City is the place you didn't know you needed. Before you ask where this hidden gem is located, let me make it easy for you. This hidden gem packed with unforgettable experiences is tucked right here, opposite Yu's restaurant near Mombasa GoKart. For a small fee of 400 Kenya shillings, you get to access the park for the entire day. To participate in some activities like archery, you need to pay an extra 350 Kenya shillings for a 1-hour session. When it comes to biking, an extra 350 shillings is also required for a 1-hour ride. But here's the catch. If you have your own bicycle, you don't need to pay this extra amount. What you need is the entrance fee and you're sorted. This place is full of greenery. It's a sight to behold. Once we are in, our eyes are welcome to this area, which is where people relax, children enjoy themselves, and events take place. This space is not just for children. Adults like myself can also come here and have fun. Like this. While we were here, we were lucky enough to see a wedding being set up next to this play area, which is fitted with some swings and games. Imagine hosting your wedding or birthday party here. Let's see how it might look. Stay with me to see how this hidden treasure transforms into a dreamy event venue. This park looks so peaceful that we just had to take a walk on this oasis of calm and beauty. Follow me along the trail to see what we come across along the way. There are some sightings we will obviously make, so stay with us. Just like Halapakanguni Nature Sanctuary, Forest Trails is another project by Bamburi Summit. This project was started as a means to an end, rehabilitating the quarries found here. From dusty places to this. They say that the best secrets are always hidden in plain sight. This is probably one of Mombasa's best kept forest adventure, hidden in plain sight. On our way, we noticed something. There's a family camping here. It's the first time I have seen people camping. I have never gone camping. We'll probably give it a try soon. At night, do they light up a campfire and listen to the crackling sound of fire while enjoying the quiet hum of nature? I wonder what camping feels like. With the beautiful sights on offer, this place, although stunning, remains so low-key. I bet the people responsible are hiding it from the people because it is truly one of Mombasa's hidden treasures. Too bad only a few people know about it. So far so good. Zipping through this lush greenery, feeling the wind in my face, hearing the birds singing, and how every turn reveals something new, makes this adventure worth it. It's time to go up to the reception area and grab a bite, but before we do so, look at what we come across, a Sundowner Terrace. This is actually one of the ultimate chilling spots here. The views of the lake from where I stand makes this spot one of a kind. I'm sure everyone would like to have such an environment in their compound, whether you're sipping on a refreshing drink, enjoying a quiet moment, or enjoying some food. The terrace has vibes for days. No food or drinks are however sold here. One can however organize a barbecue and enjoy that time. Right next to this Sundowner is where one of the challenges lie. If you're up for a challenge, there are bicycles here which can be ridden on a 10-kilometer trail. Let's see where the trail will lead us. This is a perfect activity for adrenaline junkies and casual riders alike. When I was young, back when the town was not developed as it is today, we could ride bikes everywhere near our homes, in places like this for free. We used to ride our bikes everywhere, even going with them to school. This trail reminds me of the good old times, but it gives more. The rides here are on another level. The twists, the bumps, the sudden dips, and every turn is like a surprise gift waiting to be unwrapped. Along the trail, I discovered lots of new places. Although the bike trail looks nice, I would advise that you come with your own bike. The bikes here are so faulty that you will give up before completing the 10-kilometer trail. The chain kept dislodging each and every time, forcing my adventure to end. Without getting a refund. The bad luck notwithstanding, this is probably one of Mombasa's best kept secret adventures, hidden in plain sight. If you come with your bike, I am sure you'll have more fun. After giving up on biking, it was time for another adventure. It was time to test my aim with the archery. It's an activity for people of all ages. Since it was my first time, I was taken through some necessary training and tips before the game started. The training took about 30 minutes.
when you set your legs, they should not be like this. These feet should be straight.
I was eager to start shooting arrows, and when time came, I did not disappoint. My day ended on a high. Despite all these amazing features, forestry remains one of Mombasa's best kept secrets. The experience has been great. If you're looking to relax or engage in some adventure, it's time to grab your friends, family, or just your adventurous spirit and come explore this gem. If you found this video to be interesting, entertaining, or informative, please support our channel by hitting that like, share, and subscribe button. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep embracing the beauty of our world. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next adventure.
Now this is good. These are good points because this is 17. No, this is 14. This is no, this is 16. This is 24.